Hey everyone, nice to meet you. This is Tracy again. Today, let us see something new. As you see, this is our new robot arms for rubber ball handling here at Centro Oeste Borrachas. And I just want to share what we loved about it so far. 1. Normal people carry in 25 kg per bell heavy all day. Factory cuts so much heavy labor and save a lot on labor cost. 2. Super easy to operate. We already optimized the setting program to be very simple. You can readjust the positioning easily when you change the bell placement position. Just straightforward for anyone on your team to run. 3. It works non-stop all day. Never get tired. 4G get way more steady output right now. No slowdown from fatigue. Such a game changer for TSR natural rubber factory. This is an original real on-site video, not AI generated. Thanks for your watching.